Freshwater lakes account for about 20% of drinking water in the world. The lakes and the ecosystems they support are a vital part of the communities they are in. Countless people depend on them for water, entertainment, and more. Despite their importance, we are careless with our lakes and they are often plagued with contaminants. To investigate this further, let's take a look at the proclaimed most studied lake in the world, Lake Mendota in Madison, Wisconsin. Lake Mendota is located just north of the University of Wisconsin in Madison and provides entertainment, water, and views to the thousands of inhabitants of the city. It is regularly studied by the university and other organizations in the area. Despite the importance of the lake to the community, it still has frequent issues with contaminants, and it is not uncommon for the gorgeous waters to look more like this.
Contaminants such as perfluorooctanoic acid,
Road salt from the harsh winters, and the blue-green algae that you see here are commonly found in waterways. These contaminants disrupt the surrounding communities as well as the natural ecosystems that depend on this lake. It is estimated that these harmful algae blooms can have the negative impacts of up to $81 million a year to industries such as public health, fishing, and tourism. Groups such as the Limnology Department at the University of Wisconsin in Madison do their best to research these contaminants and reduce their impact, but their methods are very outdated. Most data collection is still done by hand, costing significant amounts of both money and time every year. Blue-green algae and other contaminants also present serious health concerns for any individuals exposed. The difficulty and infrequency of these tests allows the contaminants to spread and grow, threatening everything that depends on these lakes. If testing was able to happen more frequently and with less hazard to human workers, the contaminants would be better controlled and the quality of lakes would be greatly increased. Our solution is the BadgerBOAT autonomous research vessel. This solar-powered autonomous boat with integrated SICK LiDAR capabilities can continuously patrol at-risk lakes and rivers, collecting essential data and giving the community advanced warning of algae blooms and other contaminants. Increased knowledge of these contaminants will lead to the source and lead to more informed action to reduce their impact. The BadgerBOAT uses data from its SICK 2D LiDAR sensor combined with data from a Garmin GPS puck to navigate autonomously through fields of obstacles, allowing it to perform these missions safely and timely.
The BadgerBOAT uses a Catamaran design for high stability and easy access to the water for testing and sampling between the two hulls. The durable, hard plastic hulls are segmented into 3 sections for easy storage and transportation. The frame of the boat is built from lightweight slotted aluminum extrusion. It provides a simple and modular design that can adapt to any mission or payload. On top of the frame is the solar rack. 3 100-watt solar panels are used to supplement the boat's battery life for longer journeys. The solar rack opens upwards for easy access to the boat's electronics and payload. The solar rack can be removed to save weight on shorter journeys where the solar panels are not needed. The BadgerBOAT stores power in 6 Valence U-Charge XP 12-volt batteries. This battery bank provides enough power for an all-day journey. The XP battery management system allows for remote monitoring and control of the batteries regardless of where the boat is in its journey. 2 36-pound thrust electric motors steer the boat using differential thrust steering, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. The payload and electronics are designed for modularity. A SICK 2D LiDAR sensor provides vision for the boat, allowing for obstacle detection and avoidance. When put together, we have the BadgerBOAT, a research vessel capable of saving research organizations thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours in manual data collection. Here's a video from our on-water GPS testing. The boat was given the GPS coordinates of the 2 waypoints and was able to complete the course completely autonomously.